this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. And still, let's see how the program from Rrmove studio along with your brings into them. I'm going to show you a quick way to remove these hard shadows from our picture. So you can import any picture with some shadows. I'm going to show you the trick to remove these hard shadows in Photoshop. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So with your image, what I want you to do is see layers right here. Your layer is here. This is the switch to channels, right? Now hit on your control on Windows and Command on and click on this. You see they made a selection right here. Yeah. So from there, I'm back to this. And now on the layer, click on Command, Mark, Command, Shift I to invert the image. And if you are using Windows, you use Control, Shift I the same way. Now after that, all you need to do is hit on Command J or Control J to make a duplicate. You made the duplicate. And now we need to change our blending mode from normal to screen. Just look at this. It's already starting. So screen actually makes our image brighten up anytime you work in Photoshop. Then the function of that blending mode for screen. Okay. So what you're going to do, now click the negative mark, hold Option or Alt, and click here. And now with this foreground color, change it to white. So you can just press X to toggle between. So with this selector, hold your brush, okay, make it a little bit smaller. I think this is okay. No, perfect. It's not anything around it. Perfect. He is trying to affect the edges, so just do some patterns that painting it. Okay, so that will not affect it. So perfect. Perfect. This stage just before. Perfect. So that is how you move shadows of images in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe and enjoy your day, and be back for more. Take care.